loud enough. What y'all think? Look out, Izzy. Oh, it's taco time, boy. My stomach asking for something. My stomach want it. This shit wouldn't shift. What you think about that? Where is Pedro at, man? Let me go back here and look for Pedro, y'all. Damn, my other homeboy. Damn, did neither one come? Big Time and Pedro. They supposed to be in the lines at 10. Ooh, I need my backpack too, so I can put my phone on the charge. I know it should be low by now. Oh, yep, 23%. Damn. Damn. Look out, look out. Hey.
Gotta get you guys set up on a pro tree. So you guys like that.
Doing 11. Hey, man, you need to get me moving that truck.
You want to run that truck?
That truck don't raise me.
The white truck.
Black truck.
Oh, y'all finna run each other? He already know it?
Yeah, you waiting on me. That's why he ain't left.
Okay, okay.
Pedro here, though.
Where he at?
Shit, he back there. I'm watching your videos. Is behind, ain't it?
Yeah, yeah. I need to go find Pedro. Let me see where Pedro is, man.
Here, though. I saw him.
Pedro, where you at? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué? Yeah, I'm finna get you. See? See, mames.
That's what I'm saying, off the line. But you have more horsepower than me, though.
Where the hell Pedro is? I don't see him nowhere. Hey, look out. Huh? Yeah, we live. What's going on? How you doing?
I need to talk to you when you get your.
Okay, okay.
When will this one be?
Which one? Right now, it's all live.
Oh, right now?
We live. Everything is already on there.
Really?
It's already on there. Everything I do it. Look out racing. Look. Okay. All right, y'all have a good one, man. Okay. Okay. Oh, he doing the fuel, y'all. Okay. Yes, sir. There go Pedro right here. Where Big Time at? Oh, there go Big Time. Okay.
Say, dog, when is he coming through the gates?
He coming through the gates, y'all.
Hey, what time is it, fool?
What time is it?
Hey, you ain't done nothing either.
It's 12:03.
12:03.
So you want to come up the trailer and do something?
Where you at?
I'll come up the trailer.
Where?
Come to the gates.
What? Where? The gates over here, dog.
Come to the gates. I'm getting gas.
The gates are over here.
They getting
sell
gas.
gas right here.
No, we have a street car. We ain't like your race cars.
Okay.
I got pump gas.
Okay.
Pump
Yeah.
gas.
Where it at?
You see it?
They got a $1,000 race coming up, y'all. They got the name. I don't know. Did you come up with a name for the car? 1D.
1D, because they trying to tag team me. I gotta run that truck too.
Okay. So we got 1D.
I got 2 races locked in on 1 car.
Yeah.
Boy,
He just built it in 1 week, y'all.
Hey, hold on, fool.
Oh, he done got mad. This shit ain't running right when he get on the track. That's how I be feeling, boy. I know he feel that shit. Okay. Now let me see. So they coming out here. Pedro in the building.
Look, this was last Wednesday.
Yeah.
Look.
Well, I this morning, I didn't have nothing.
Look.
Last Wednesday,
Yeah.
y'all. Oh shit.
Look.
I had nothing.
He's right there, look. And I built it just to drag his ass.
Built it
Just to get on his ass. Just
Yeah.
to get his money, fool. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
He's about to pull in the gates in 5 minutes. I hope they don't close it before he pulls in.
Open till 2. I don't make sure.
Okay.
They open to 2.
Open till 2. So just clean top of that ass. Plenty of top of that ass.
Okay. It's boot counter time, y'all. Izzy, you brought boot counters? Yeah, we $1,000 raise, 500 punk out fee. Let me see. What's she talking about?
I just don't have a part.
That's her car? 4-cylinder. Little 4-cylinder. Let me see. Hold on, excuse me. Hey, what size motor you got? This a race car.
Regular ass car now.
Is it? It's a small block.
Small. She just
It ain't got the turbo or nothing.
now.
It is turbo.
See?
It is turbo. Go look at it right now.
It's turbo. She talking about. She got turbo. She ain't got no turbo. She do you got turbo or not? I'm trying to see. She ain't got no turbo. That's straight motor. They said it's straight motor, y'all. Oh, she done popped the hood, y'all. She put it on something. What you say you put it on? Hey, see if it's a turbo under there, man. Oh, he done closed it. So you sure it ain't got no turbo?
I'm a daddy.
Oh, okay. Well, he know, y'all. He know. She thinks she got a turbo. God damn. You got all us people on here trying to see something, thinking you got an eco boost. It ain't no eco. God, man. Mister, tell her she ain't got no damn eco boost. Yeah, man. Ooh, man. Yeah, she don't know what. She just driving, y'all. She don't know what the hell in that mother. Let me see. Let me see. You ready?
Like always.
Okay, he said he ready. This is my boy right here, y'all. They didn't put that motor in there. Okay.
Got that intake.
Got that intake right on there, man. So here go the variables, y'all.